Welcome back to Spore and Sprout. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reuse cat litter buckets to grow mushrooms. I have 4 cats, so there's never a shortage of cat litter buckets. The first step is to create your own mushroom grain spawn by inoculating sterilized rye grain with mushroom liquid culture. I'll leave a link in the description to my website where I offer a variety of mushroom liquid culture syringes. I'll also leave a link for the video tutorial on how to create your own sterilized rye grain. After about 7 days of growing at the injection site, the bag is broken up and mixed to speed up colonization. I use cold water pasteurized straw as the substrate, so I just fill up this 55-gallon metal barrel with cold water, and then I add in 330 grams of hydrated lime, which is calcium hydroxide with a low magnesium content. The calcium hydroxide raises the pH to around 13 so that it kills off any of the competing microorganisms in the straw. After mixing the hydrated lime with the water, I stuff as much straw as I can into these mesh bags. I'll leave links in the description to all the correct products used in this video. Then I submerge the mesh bags of straw into the lime-treated water for 12 hours. I use a heavy log to keep the bags submerged. After 12 hours, I remove the straw bags and hang them up to drain. I let the bags drain for around 2 hours until they stop dripping. Then I just use a drill to make some holes in the bucket. After the holes have been drilled and the mesh bags of straw stop dripping after a couple hours, I start layering in the straw with one 3-pound bag of mushroom grain spawn. After all the grain spawn and straw has been layered into the bucket, the lid is attached and it's allowed to colonize for 1 to 2 weeks. The mushrooms will automatically start growing once it's fully colonized. And that's how you can reuse cat litter buckets to grow mushrooms. I just let these grow right in my barn, and the temperature has been low 60 degrees Fahrenheit and high 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.